Delhi Police Crime Branch has arrested Asadam, a sharpshooter of the Hashim Baba gang. The 23 years old from Jafrabad was caught near Barathamba Road metro station. Police found a pistol and three bullets with him. He wanted an attempt to murder case at Gokulpuri police station. Earlier, he worked in the footwear factory but later joined crime for quick money and lavish lifestyle. He already has several other cases against him. This operation was led by DCP Vikram Singh. Further investigation is going on. Reported by a newsroom correspondent Sana Bhartia.